Hi guys! Today we are diving headfirst into the heart of Qin'an's apple season. We are going from orchard to the market to see where your delicious apples might come from. Here is our first stop, the orchard. Look at the scale. Qin'an is one of China's most important apple bases, and you can feel it just by standing here. I'm just learning how to pick them properly. You have to twist and lift. Just pulling will damage the branches for next year.
Every single apple is picked by hand. It's a meticulous work, but the reward is incredible. From the peaceful orchards, the apples begin their journey to the bustling heart of the tree. It's a symphony of commerce. Apples are stored by size and quality, prices are negotiated, and trucks from all over China are being loaded up.
哪里人？
陕西的。
您在秦安收苹果收了多少年了
4、5年了。
4、5年了。您为什么选择在我们秦安收苹果啊？
人这个苹果这个颜色好，然后吃着甜嘛，
甜是吧？主要是口感好。
口感好。
那咱们苹果您主要是发往哪些地方啊？
做外贸的，主要是越南。
哪里？越南出口了。哦。
The sky is shipping tons of apples daily. She says they go across China and even for export. Qin'an's apples are traveling the world. From a tiny blue zama tree to a fruit on your table, it's amazing to see the journey. Qin'an's autumn is built on apples, and it's a sight and a taste to behold.